So this is the next question, and I'm never doing the short tricks. Okay, I never done. I always do. Not I not my memory power is a little bit low, so because of that, I'm unable to memorize all the short tricks. So because of that, I never believe on a short tricks. Sorry, what is okay? So because of that, I never believe on a short tricks. So I always do with the brute force approach. But with the help of my some math knowledge, some math basics, I will make them easy. Okay, so here's the new question. Average age of all the student in a class is 60 years. Okay, so in a class there are numbers of students and their average age is 16 years. Out of which 40% are boys, and the ratio of average age of all the girls to that of all the boys. Sorry, what they are saying in the boys, and the ratio of out of which 40% are boys, and the ratio of average age of all the girls to that of all the boys is this. If there is a 50 student in a class, then find out the average age of all the boys. Yeah, it is too simple. So in this type of question, if you confused, then first of all you have to write all the data. Okay, so what the total student is, what they are saying, 50 student. Okay, sorry, 50. If there is a 50 student in a class, then find out the average age of the boys. Okay, if there is a 50 student. Okay, now what they are saying, out of which 40% are boys, and the ratio of average age, so the 40% is boys. It means what could be the number 40%, boys, which is are 40%, sorry, 40%, always I make some mistakes. So 40% of it is 20. How I can know the directly this 20? Suppose if the number is 100. Okay, if the number is 100, then the 100 of 40% is 40 only. So now this number is half. From 100 it is 50. So similarly, if the 140% is 40, then 50 40% is 20, because 100 is the double of 50. So it is a so in that case, 50 is a half of it, so their percent is also half. Okay, you can understand now. So if suppose there is 100, then the 40% of 100 is 40. Similarly, now it is 50. So the 50% of 40% of 50 is 20. Okay, so now then so according to this, the number of girls, okay, girls would be, oh sorry, what they are, sorry, what girls, okay, yeah, so it could be 30. Now what they are saying, if the what the girls and that of all the boys is 65, average age they are saying. Okay, average age is this. But if the 16 years is the average age of all the student in a class, average age of all the student in a class is 16 years. Okay, so you can consider the total age is nothing but the 16 into 50, because now we know that the 50 student on a class, the average of all the student in a class is now this, which is equal to nothing but this is the ratio of it. Okay, this is the ratio of it. It means 6x becomes sorry, so it means uh, 6a, the average age of average age of girls to that average age of girls. Okay, we consider, and if we multiply it by the number of girls, then we get the total age of it, total addition of the all ages of girls. And similarly we do with the boys also. Okay, so that is a 20. So you can say that if the 60 minus number of students you get the total age of all the students sum. Here you do the same thing, so you get the total sum of all the girls age and total sum of all the boys age. And if you solve this, you got the value of a. And what they are finding, then find the average age of all the boys. They are only want to know this thing, so simple. So when you do this thing, so what it could be, okay, so 50 into 0, so nothing but the 0, and 65s are 80. Okay, always try to do simple calculation. So 0 and 18. Okay, oh sorry, plus 0, 7 2s are 40, and a. Okay, now what if you add them, so what you get, 800 divided by 0 4 8 12, so 2 1 1 2 and 3. Yeah, this you get, and here you got 3. Okay, you can see that 80 40 0 0 4 8 12 2 carry 1. Yeah, it is okay. When you divide them, so they are divided by 60, so 0 0 cut, and when they are divided by 60, it could be 8 equal to 5 by 2, which is nothing but like 2 by 5. Yeah, there's the value of a. And when you put what they are the average of all the boys, so their ratio they have, if you put the value of a, their ratio like the 6a, no sorry, the 7a, that the average what the average age, so the average age of, oh sorry, of boys is nothing but the 7 multiplied by 2.5. So 25 6 is 1.125, and is this. I think this is the answer. B is the answer, and you can what? I had made some mistakes. Correct choice is A. Then find out the average age of all the boys. The ratio, the average age of all the girls to that of all the boys is 6:7. Yeah, I had done some mistake. 2.5 into 7 is 175. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry. So 175. Yeah. Okay. Mhm. So this is the answer. Okay.